As you. YouTube. It's about this thing like this and exotic in Dongo Manafana Titanico Hatas Kuntirikiri. In the meantime, between Tamitori and Rakana this in Dongoma. And I'm here with.
Hey yo, what's good guys? It's your boy BAFANA.
We are about to begin. Tango. So guys, we out here today, guys. We be chilling. We be sharing. A young yana something yana some
Mukbang.
You know. Yeah. We be outside, bro. You know, like hit that subscribe button and the notification button. You know,
And like this video.
Let's get this video to 100,000 likes.
1 million likes.
1 million views, you know. Yeah. So I'm back, man. Today I'm making this video to ask you questions.
Oh yeah, okay.
You know?
Sure.
So I saw like you showed me like I saw like on your channel, on your platforms. There are missing videos. You know? What happened to those videos? Cause I'm a fan, you know. I want to know what happened to those videos.
Oh, you're a fan, eh?
You want me to be specific?
You want the explanation?
An explanation.
Yeah, we are right. There are some videos that are missing, but which one? This specific video that you saw that is missing.
The one you were kissing like a girl. You know? You were like kissing a girl. You said like, give me that yeah, still nice. Then you were like, you know? Why are those videos missing? You know? Like
Guys,
out of the blue.
okay, let me tell you what happened.
Yeah.
Yeah, at that time when I was posting those videos or I was uploading those videos on TikTok, I was happy with that girl, you know. Then it happens. Shit happens, bro. It happened. We broke up. You know what I'm saying? Then after I think 3 months. Yeah. After 3 months we broke up. 3 months, just imagine, bro. 3 months. After I posted this video, that video. 3 months.
Yeah.
One day, and on a random day, she just called me and said, can you please delete that video because my family saw it on TikTok and tomorrow they are going to show my other family. You know what I'm saying? Just imagine your family going through on TikTok to see if you were kissing some other niggas on TikTok, bro. Why don't you tell them it's content? But I'm cool. You know what I did? I just deleted them. And nothing personal, no fight, no issue, no, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I just deleted them, bro, cause it's crazy, man. And I know she was happy because it is not a female. It was the current boyfriend. I'm telling you, it was the current boyfriend. You know what I'm saying? That's why. So, you see. What?
Oh, the current boyfriend, like.
Yo.
Like, do we have a problem with the current boyfriend? Like, do we have a problem with the nigga?
I even don't know the nigga. I even don't know the boyfriend. But if I had a boyfriend, you know what I was going to do? I was going to do the thing that I know it will hurt both of them. I wouldn't delete those videos. You know what I'm saying? But I deleted them because I want what's good for them. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
Like, what are we talking about here, even? What are we talking? You are talking. What, like, are we talking about?
Bro, we're talking about, but you asked me a question.
Which question? Are you smart? Are you like smart? Tell me which question I asked you. If you are smart, if you listen,
Bro, you asked me that what happened on my social media because on my social media because you saw some missing videos. Yeah, that was your question.
Did I ask you that question, me? No.
You did, right? Remember now, right?
What do I remember you?
Hmm?
Yini? Utake ukudla futhi. Uyahleka. Question unokubulela uja kabulela uja makali wa hafa mun.
Mara jo. Mani question le braka.
Una le molao. Una le molao na. Jo. O rutile lo ruta.
Diman kambira la hani jo. Wasa bisa question kan jo. Kambira la hani jo. Eh? Mara jo. Guys, this nigga told me that I should pull up so that we can shoot a video for his channel. You know what I'm saying? He's going to ask me some questions. Now I don't know why he's acting sus. I don't know why he's acting weird, bro.
Ruhan get tasas. Get tasas no. There no get tasas no. Makal.
So say getting 12 like you wrong.
Get tasas. Nruhe asikwase nruanga sona makala. Not like a ring. Dinsanga mulala bona raja walela brother.
Mara ke magbeng,
Awuna mlawo.
ke magbeng mos.
Magbeng kilo manse. Wacha wahe manu wahe. Raja wahema. Aye raja wahema. Kidi ke mtshware ke mo root.
It's all video.
For ke video ya record that then. Ke mari nya record.
Yeah?
Ka butse so ke mari nya record that video.
Mabitso ba thama beng.
Magbeng wa eng ke betha
Mara
magbeng.
jo ira la ngisho.
Di
Watso so ke hema, watso so ke bula, watso so ke je.
dijolo go di go le hanong wa balabala o ntshela le ka matete. Wanqifa lo, wanqifa.
Ejo zola pe ya video bra.
Wacha. Aba ruta mlawo. Awuthi roji wathonto ke phone mo fathi. Hayi man.
Bantsani jo.
Ngidisappoint.
Kinenga jo.
Ma. Baitse ba toromela ntando tlo la.
Kantsani jo bisatshwara phone.
Nsanga o bole ro nya ga di chips tsa o bole ro nya ga di jo tsa ga o bole ro nya ga
Sha braka.
o bole. Yo, na ach.
Emma.
Hi.
Mara wena wa jubulela bo.
O kira nna wena no. Unna. Cause na ga iri ka ira lo nya ku. Ye, ke ntho ka ai ke ntho nya go ira ngwe. No. Ai bo, ke ntho nya go yetsa. Ai bo. Bo, ke ntho nya go yetsa. Ai bo, ke la ntho nya go yetsa no like o nya go bolela o ja. like tshwanetse phape wena wa phapa pila mokgwa wa gago wa phapa
Ke sa sephatlo sa.
ke go botsa di-question a ke re no ke mabag ke mabag
Go di tshotsa bra.
o shapo
Ga mona. Bani tshwanka. Ga di tshotsa bra ka. O shute ntho ya o fetse mo di tswalle mona. Nna mona. Ke sa ja. Wa mona. Wa fela.
wahema raja wahema ubhizi wahema
Ke go le ke tshita. Wa go fotela go jujo. O fotela go tsoko. Ni go ntse ndiste mo ndiste go fotela go wa se tobo.
va ri threatina no ra threatiniwa no rina a ri sa khoni u dya ka peace cause ra threatiniwa va nga ra
Hi.
When sanju. Ena fo.
ra bulela wa dya raja wa bulela
Cause when regular dijo ga go for re tlo tsuta mabeng wa dintsha le nna le dijo tsa ona. Nna le dijo tsa o bra na bane. Sharp. Nna le dijo tsa o bra. Sharp ya. We create video ya o jo. Ya we create video no nya ka ngwe le thono nya o mbusitse question e one officer. A bra ka sala jo. Ai sharp a tshwana bra. Mai sala bra ka.
tamama ngweshe kuwena sifathonga ngathi ke sifathonga ngathi ke nduna embuzi amina baf kadala nifanele prank ntwana
Ya ga wa ya ke prank ke bya ni.
ke prank ntwana
E bya ni mona ke prank ke bya ni.
ke prank ka braga
E bya ni.
acting weird braga
Acting weird.
yeah
Prank acting weird. No sa acting weird, no actor sas. No sa acting weird, no actor sas.
king sas braga
No actor rugain. Ke sa bolela ke sa tja ke sa hemo. Ya sha bo ke le video ya YouTube sha go bulitse o. Ya o prankile guys. Bye tswalle o prankile jo. Ya ke prank sha, ke prank au show.
bona bo
Ke ni.
bo braga bo
Ke.
ay
Wow, very good.
okay
Okay, guys. Ay, braga, ay, yabo. Tswala di dena, tswala video ba ka. Mona. Ay, jo. Tswala di jo tsa mona. Ay, mona.
Motata no
ke prank mara so tsubile ke prank. Ay, braga, ay. Jo so tsubile ke prank wa jo no ni.
ke prank ga ka tswala bona ka tsa ke prank
Ke
YouTube thank you for watching
wena jo. O pranka nna we. Ay, mka ke ni jo.
thank you for watching
Ay.
thank you for watching guys subscribe, turn on the notification button there go be some PDD way shit going on after I turn off this camera thank you, finish your food so that I can finish you